Last night, we introduced you to Amanda Swanson, a supervising nurse in the ICU at Adventist Health in downtown Bakersfield, where a rising number of COVID-19 patients are about to take the last of the available ICU beds. Tonight in Part 2, 17's Robert Price asks Swanson, what keeps you going?
The past 2 weeks have been especially brutal on the COVID-19 front in Kern County. 6,550 cases just since Thanksgiving, and nearly 4,000 in the last 4 days alone. That surge has tested COVID-19 units at all 10 hospitals in Kern County with ICU capacity. She can't speak for all of them, obviously, but Amanda Swanson, an ICU charge nurse at Adventist Health, who is responsible for patient bed movement, keeps hoping the general public will keep up its end of the deal. She's dealt with tragedy, such as one hospitalized family member dying while the other is sedated.
And then when they wake up, somebody has to tell them that, their loved one is not with them anymore.
She has dealt with anger and denial.
And this person was just so upset that it's a lie. You're lying to me. This is just COVID. Let him go. It's not a problem.
And she has dealt with the knowledge that outside her world as an ICU nurse, businesses are suffering, and she sympathizes. She knows kids are home from school and families like hers are going stir crazy, but she also knows there's only one way out of this. As much as possible, she says, just try to stay home.
That's a very frequent story. We saw them for dinner, we saw them for a family gathering, occasionally we saw them for a funeral, and COVID spread throughout the attendees.
The ICU nurse says we'll need to accept that this Christmas season will be unlike anything we've experienced before.
Christmas is going to have to be small. It's going to have to be by video. My kids are saying not what are we doing for Christmas, but when are we celebrating Christmas? Because as a nurse, the hospital's open 365 days a year. I'm not scheduled to work Christmas, but I'm anticipating with this surge, I will be working Christmas. And so my kids and I will have our Christmas on another day so that I can take care of the people who are hospitalized. And these are the things that we have to do.
Swanson says she'll take an important lesson from all of this.
A lot of it is just how hard it is to defeat the human spirit. I mean, the things I'm seeing, the teamwork I'm seeing with my coworkers and just how they're interacting with each other, how everybody's pitching in, helping out. I've had some coworkers that they've just brought their A game every day.
But would Amanda Swanson do it all again? Become an ICU nurse, knowing that a year like 2020 was in her future? A pandemic year? The answer, without hesitation, is yes. In Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.